I welcome Rose and Oye to the class. So thank you for actually joining again. So today we're looking at expressing as a fraction. Expressing as a fraction. That's what we are looking at today. So this is going to be number 8 in functional skill level 2. Number 8 in functional skill level 2. So this is like expressing as a fraction. When you say express as a fraction of the other one. So when you say, for example, now 4 as a fraction of 5. So this is actually what it meant. When you say 4 as a fraction of 5, you will say 4 over 5. Can you see? You will say 4 over 5. Since you express it as a fraction of 5, you will say actually what 4 over 5. That is it. So this is like when you say you want to express a number as a fraction of the other. So can you see now? So for example, now if it's like just put this one out there. So the first part, you can see clearly here, said that what? So I want you to do this set of questions. This is an easy one. So I'm going to ask Rose to do 2 questions, and I will also ask Oye to also do 2 questions. So look at this one. I'm going to use the first 2 as an example for you. Said write 5 days as a fraction of 20 days. That gives you what? 5 over 20. So that could be 1/4. Really ask you to write 6 as a fraction of what? Of 8 pounds. So that gives you a 6 over 8. Can you see that? So that one could be 2/3. So I would like you to do this one. It's just the start of the whole thing. So we need to do this one. Then Rose, this question. So
hello?
Yeah, I'm listening.
Yeah, that's 9 over 15.
Yeah. Next one.
That's 80 as a fraction of 40. That's 8 over 40.
1/5. Okay. What about Rose?
Yeah, so F 25 days over fraction. So that's 25 over 35.
Mm-hmm.
And then the other one is H 52 over 90p.
Yes, 52 over 90. So now that's because the reason why this one is so straightforward is because they are of the same unit. They're actually of the same.
Just joking.
You can mute yourself if you don't mind, please. So What if they actually were different units? So if they actually were different units, so it's different. So let me just see. So now let's look at this one. So when you look at this other one, you said that 2 days as a fraction of 1 week. So you can see that days and week, they are not the same. So you have to convert week to days. Who can tell me how many days makes 1 week?
7.
7.
So you have 2 over 7.
It was 7 days. So you have to express what 2 days as a fraction of 1 week. It's going to be what 2 over 7. Can you see? It's going to be what 2 over 7. Look at the second one too. Instead, write 40p as a fraction of £3 because 40p and £3, they are like different units. So £3 is what 300p.
Okay.
So that gives you what 40 over what over 300. 300. That is it. That's like 4 over 30, 2 over 15. That is it. So I will ask you to do those two Onyinye and Rose. Yes, not as system on your body. So you can look at that.
So 4 kg should be 4,000 grams, if I'm not mistaken.
You say what? Yeah, it's 4,000 grams.
4,000 grams. Yeah.
Yes.
So that's over 4,000.
That's going to be what 8 over 4,000. So it's about 4,000. That's going to be that's correct.
So would mine be 920 over? Is it 12,000?
Yeah, 1,000. Yeah, you're right. You're right. It's 12,000 because 1,000 mm. Yeah, so it's going to be what? Yes, good. So what about this final one? This one here before we go to applying knowledge on it.
Which one is it? G, which one am I doing? Okay, there are 50 seconds. That'll be 3,600.
Everything
So
to
50, yeah, so 50 over 3,600.
yes, 50 over 3,000. That is great. 50 over 3,600. That is great because 60 minutes makes 1 hour. They now multiply down by 60 again to get the seconds. That gives you 3,600. That is good. Looking for Onyinye on that part. So which one is who did the J, please? Who did J?
The higher number be the upper number. That's right. What else is confusing now? Can I say?
Yeah. 185 over 120. That's it. You check everything to actually to P.
Yeah. Okay.
That is it. So now, this is now like a word problem. It's now, and Rose, this is like a word problem. I want to think about it. Maybe we can be able to figure it out. Just go ahead, give you a few minutes on that. Maybe we can be able to figure it out.
Okay, mine is your answer in question. There are 30 students in a class. 20 students have gone here. What fraction fraction of the class have brown hair. That's the thought.
Are you using a earpiece? Your voice is not really.
Okay, that's 2/3. I'm actually at work, so.
Okay. No problem.
It's 2/3.
Okay, so 2/3. Okay, that's okay. What about Rose? So let's look at it together. So I said, yeah, I was 30 students in the class. 20 students actually would have brand air. What's the fraction of people with brand air? Is good about 20/30. That's going to be 2/3. So for rows, a bag contains red and white sweets. There are 12 red sweets there and 8 white sweets. What's the fraction of the sweets that are white? So there are 8 white sweets there. You put 8 there. How many sweets are there in total? That's going to be 20. So you now simplify that. 2/5, because they are both in 4 times tables. So 8 divided by 4 is 2. 20 divided by 4 is what? Is 5. So that is actually that's how you actually you do it. So can you guys try 5, 6, and 7? Then we wrap it up with those ones. Know that we're going to start earlier at 1:30 today, but the link just arrived on time. That's so the first one. Let's do the first one together. So that Yemen received for £5 pocket money. she spent £1.75 on the magazine and 80p on drink. So that what is the fraction of the pocket money she spent? So that means that £1.75 plus 80p, that's going to give you £2 this thing over 5. So you can say 225 over 500. So then second one, say what fraction of the pocket money does have left? So 5 minus, so that gives you 245. It's going to be 245 over 500. Then in a turn, in Cornwall, it's rained for 18 days during April. What's the fraction of the month it's rained? So how many days do you have in April? So you will check that one. So fortunately for us, we actually was in April. April have scored 30 days, so it's going to be 18 out of 30. Then what fraction of the month the days? So 18 days on April. So what fraction? Yeah, you got what? 18 out of 30. So Barry is saving money towards a new motorbike. So that costs what, £4,000. So each month he saves £5 more than the previous month. In January, he saves £60. So over the first year of savings, what fraction of the cost has he saved? So he saves £5 more than the previous month over the course of the first year. So that means that if you say this one in January, 65. So just keep on adding it until it's what's it called? So like 60 plus 65 plus 70 plus 75 plus 80 plus 85 plus 90 plus 95 plus 100 plus 105 plus 110 plus 115 plus 120 plus 120. So it's like 1,295 over this thing. So it's just for you to be able to just add them together, you should get it. So guys, the topic is a very, very short topic, and because we have like 13 minutes to do it, because we're meant to start at 13:30. But I'll make sure that I call the office. The link is available, and we can actually do it. Don't forget the learning. This thing today is what, just expressing a number as a fraction of the other. So it's not a long topic and a very big topic that you stress out. So, but guys, don't forget it's 13:30 every Wednesday. Next week I'll make sure that the link gets to you as early as possible. All right. Thank you for joining. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much.